Coming through the wire. We've got another one snotting on the Pennine route. Really pouring it out up there. Oh, it's bloody hot in here, it really is. Beautiful, but the sky looks terrible. It's all white, you know. Yeah, I'll switch to other mode. That's the one. And I definitely don't trust autofocus, so bear with me. Look at that crap. Where are you, buggerlugs? There you go. That's without digital focus, digital zoom, that's just on ordinary zoom, full. We come back down the trail. Now here's one that caught on the Pennine route. We've got quite a good zoom on it. It's a bloody dirty long trail. It's by an Airbus A340-313E by Edelweiss there of Switzerland. Registration Hotel Bravo Juliet Mike Foxtrot. Call sign Echo Delta Whiskey 10. 34,085 foot. Here's the details, going from Zurich to Canada. Good luck, Canada, deal with that crap that's spewing out. That's the one. It's now 51 mile away. But there we have confirmed snot rocket. Oh boy, what a dirty trail.